The 2005 Maharashtra catastrophe. Hello everyone, welcome to Intellify. You may have wondered what is a flood. When water immerses land that is normally dry, that is called a flood. Floods are a natural phenomena, but mankind's activities do affect flooding. Floods occur at irregular intervals and vary in size, area of extent, and duration. India has witnessed one such extreme flood disaster in Mumbai, Maharashtra in 2005. Let us discuss it in detail. What happened? The 2005 Maharashtra floods refer to the flooding of many parts of the Indian state of Maharashtra, including large areas of Mumbai, that is, the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is located on the western coast of India. Due to the flood, approximately 1,094 people died. It occurred just 1 month after the June 2005 Gujarat floods. The term 26 July 2005 is now always used to refer to the day when the city of Mumbai came to a standstill due to flooding. Many people were stranded on the roads, many lost their homes, while numerous walked long distances back home from work that evening. The floods were caused by the 8th heaviest ever recorded 24-hour rainfall figure of 944 millimeters, that is 37.17 inches. Torrential rainfall continued for the next week. Thousands of school children were stranded due to flooding and could not reach home. The threat to public health. The rainwater caused the sewage system to overflow and all the water lines were contaminated. The government ordered all housing societies to add chlorine to their water tank. Effects. For the first time ever, Mumbai's airports were shut for more than 30 hours due to heavy flooding of the runways, submerged instrument landing system equipment, and extreme poor visibility. Over 700 flights were cancelled or delayed. The airport reopened on the morning of 28 July 2005. Rail links were disrupted and the reports on the late evening of 30th July indicated cancellation of several long-distance trains till 6th August 2005. The Mumbai-Pune Expressway, which witnessed many landslides, was closed for the first time ever in its history for 24 hours. Local trains, auto rickshaws, taxis and buses were damaged. Trucks and tempos grounded. Factors affecting the disaster in Mumbai. Antiquated drainage system. The drainage system was clogged at several places. As a result, there was no way to stop the seawater from rushing into the drainage system during high tide. This was one of the major drawbacks due to which the city suffered so gravely. Uncontrolled, unplanned development in the northern region. Development in certain parts of Mumbai was haphazard and buildings were constructed without proper planning. The drainage plans in the northern suburbs were chalked out as and when required in a particular area and not from an overall point of view. Destruction of mangrove ecosystems. Before the floods, the mangrove ecosystem that existed along the river and creek were destroyed to a large extent and were replaced with construction. Hundreds of acres of swamps in the creek were reclaimed and put to use for construction by builders. Sewage and garbage dumps had also destroyed the mangroves. Climate change has played an important role. The Mumbai 2005 floods also occurred due to the moisture surge from the Arabian Sea, and the heavy rains were not confined to Mumbai but spread over a large region across central India. That's all about the Maharashtra disaster in 2005. For more updates, stay tuned to Learn with Intellify.